If your midsize truck starts making excuses the second the pavement disappears, this one's gonna hit different. The 2027 GMC Canyon AT4X just rolled in looking like it already has a few hard trail seasons under its belt. Higher stance, wider track, real hardware, and a presence that makes a lot of other midsize trucks look like they showed up underdressed. I'm not going to hand you the biggest reason this truck feels different just yet. There's something going on with the way it soaks up the trail that most people miss when they just look at the brochure. Let's build up to it. The stance is the first thing that grabs you. 3 inches of factory lift, wider track, big 33-inch mud terrain tires on dark 17-inch wheels, red recovery hooks, serious skid protection, rocker guards, and a spray-on bed liner with the AT4X logo stamped in. It doesn't look like a truck that got lifted after the fact. It looks like it left the factory ready to work. Power comes from the TurboMax 2.7-liter Turbo 4, 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque that shows up early and stays useful. 8-speed automatic, full 4-wheel drive with a real 2-speed transfer case. Standard front and rear electronic lockers. You want both axles locked when things get ugly? You just hit the buttons. That alone already puts this truck in serious conversation with the best of the class. The cabin matches the mission. Obsidian Rush interior, dark, tough, and still premium. Heated and ventilated leather seats. Big Google built-in screen. Full off-road performance display that shows you pitch, roll, and what's happening at the tires. And the camera system goes deep, including underbody views with washers so mud doesn't leave you flying blind. When you're placing a tire on a ledge without a spotter, that kind of visibility feels like cheating. Now here's the part that actually changes how the truck drives. Most midsize off-roaders force you to accept a compromise. Soft enough for the road means they get floaty when the trail speeds up. Firm enough for high-speed dirt means they beat you up on the slow technical stuff. The Canyon AT4X runs Multimatic DSSV dampers, the same advanced damping you'll also find on the Colorado ZR2. These shocks don't just absorb hits, they change their personality based on what you're doing. High-speed whoops, they stay composed and keep the truck planted. Slow rock crawling, they open up and let the suspension work. Out on a mixed trail, you can feel the difference in your hands and in your gut. It's the kind of control that makes you push a little harder because the truck is still with you. That confidence is hard to put a price on once you've felt it. You also get Baja mode for the fast dirt, terrain for the technical climbs, and the usual off-road and tow haul settings. The truck is ready for whatever the day turns into. Here's the honest trade-off though. All that off-road focus comes at a cost. Towing drops to 6,000 pounds. The regular AT4 and Denali will still pull 7,700. Payload is lower too. If your weekends are mostly about hauling a bigger boat or a loaded trailer, this is not the Canyon you want. GMC made a clear choice. Trail performance over maximum numbers. Some of you will call that the right priority. Others will say it's a deal breaker. So where does that leave the AT4X? If you want a mid-sized truck that feels more capable and more controlled when the trail gets real, this one sits near the top of the list. It costs more, it tows less, and it forces you to decide what kind of truck owner you actually are. Is the trade-off worth it for the way this thing moves through the dirt? Or do you take the higher tow rating and live without that level of damping control? Tell me which side you're on. But there's another question we have to answer before calling this truck a winner. How much of that off-road hardware actually matters when you're not sitting on a trail? Because that's where a truck like the AT4X has to justify itself. You're not going to spend every morning crawling over rocks. Most of the time, this thing is going to be sitting in traffic, running errands, commuting to work, or carrying gear to the weekend. And that's where the Canyon AT4X makes an interesting argument. The same suspension setup that gives you confidence off-road can also make the truck feel more controlled when the road gets rough. The wider stance gives it a planted look, but it also helps the truck feel substantial when you're moving through uneven terrain. And those 33-inch tires aren't just there for the thumbnail. They give the AT4X the kind of footprint you actually want when the pavement ends. But there is a catch. Those aggressive tires, the lift, and all that extra hardware aren't exactly optimized for fuel economy or quiet highway driving. This isn't the Canyon you buy because you want the softest, most efficient daily driver in the segment. You buy it because you want a truck that can leave the pavement on Friday afternoon without needing a shopping list of aftermarket parts first. And that's an important distinction. A lot of off-road trucks look impressive until you start thinking about what you'd have to add to make them truly trail ready. Bigger tires, suspension upgrades, skid protection, lockers, recovery equipment, better cameras. With the AT4X, GMC has already built much of that philosophy into the truck from the factory. That also changes the ownership equation. You're paying more upfront, but you're getting a package designed around one specific mission, instead of starting with a regular truck and turning it into an off-roader piece by piece. And then there's the question of size. This is still a mid-sized truck. That matters more than it sounds. On a narrow trail, between trees, around rocks, or on a tight switchback, you don't always want a massive full-size pickup. The Canyon gives you a footprint that's easier to place while still giving you serious off-road hardware underneath. So now the AT4X starts to make more sense. It isn't trying to be the best towing Canyon. It isn't trying to be the cheapest Canyon, and it definitely isn't trying to be the most efficient. It's trying to be the Canyon you choose when the trail matters more than the spreadsheet. And that's probably the most important thing to understand about this truck. So if you spend 90% of your time towing, there are smarter choices. If you want the lowest possible price, there are smarter choices. But if the reason you're shopping for a mid-sized truck is because you want something that can handle serious trails while still being comfortable enough to drive every day, the AT4X starts making a very strong case for itself. And now we come back to that original question. Is all of this hardware actually worth the extra money? That answer depends on what you plan to do with it. But there's one thing that's hard to ignore. GMC didn't build the AT4X around a single impressive number. They built it around how all of these systems work together. The lockers help when traction disappears. The 33-inch tires give you the footprint. The transfer case gives you low-range control. The cameras help you see the obstacles you normally can't. And the DSSV dampers tie the whole thing together when the trail starts throwing multiple problems at the truck at once. That's why the AT4X is more interesting than its horsepower figure suggests. It's not about one feature winning the segment. It's about the entire package working together. And that's where this truck becomes genuinely difficult to ignore. So where does that leave the AT4X? If you want a mid-sized truck that feels more capable and more controlled when the trail gets real, this one sits near the top of the list. It costs more, it tows less, and it forces you to decide what kind of truck owner you actually are. Is the trade-off worth it for the way this thing moves through the dirt? Or do you take the higher tow rating and live without that level of damping control? Tell me which side you're on.